What's up guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna be doing something different. I'm gonna be looking at something different. We're gonna be analyzing together. We're gonna be analyzing Volatility 75, and I find it to be very easy to analyze, easy to read. This past week I've been looking at the volatility market. I'll be looking at volatility 10, volatility 75, volatility 25, volatility 50, volatility 100, and I noticed that they respect price action. They respect price action, price action patterns, market structure, and all that. So we're gonna get into it and see what we come up with on volatility 75. Okay, for those who don't know where to find volatility on TradingView. Okay, volatility has got its own TradingView. You can even register on binary.com. So for you to start searching, for you to find it, you have to search TradingView implementation for binary.com. So when you click on symbol search, it's gonna show you every symbol in every group started here. So it's got forex, which is your currencies and stuff. It's got stock indices, which is Nasdaq, USD, commodities, derived. So we're not gonna look at all that, but we're only gonna look at derived. That's where we're gonna find our volatility symbols. Okay, so let's say you want to start trading volatility. You're gonna have to register on the broker called Deriv. Yeah, from there you can do all the logins and stuff. As for me, I already have it installed and registered. So this is my demo account. Okay, on my demo, that's where I practice and discover new volatility market behavior. Okay, let's get back to our chart. Okay, so the first thing that I always do, like when I'm analyzing, I look for my key levels. So this is my resistance. Then I'm gonna look for support level, so that it can just cover the whole thing that we are seeing here. And I've zoomed all out. The reason why I do this is because I quickly get an idea of where the market is coming from and where the market is going. If we look at the market, the direction, the history, it came down, right? And then on our support there, it went up, creating higher highs and higher lows. Then from there, on our resistance, it went back down, but we can see that it didn't go all the way down. As you can see, it made a support there. So if that support is strong enough, it might push the market to go up. But that's not what we are looking for. We are looking for something that is straightforward. So now, since we have our main resistance and our main support, we're gonna have to find our inside key levels. So those are going to be our higher lows and our high highs. Since the market has been creating highs to make an uptrend, we have our higher low, we have our higher high, inside the high high and the high low, the market made a double top. It made a double top, it went back down, but it couldn't go all the way down. It got rejected there. Then it went back up, and on that same resistance, it made a false breakout. Then it went back in again. It didn't have any momentum, so it went back up. It made another false breakout, went back down, and from there it made a strong support. Then it broke retest, then it went up, came back down. It set on our support key level, then it went up, couldn't break our major key of resistance. So if I zoom in, you can see what it did there. Got rejected, got pushed down, then it came back again just to make a W. So if you look at the support there, it set on it twice just to make a double bottom. It couldn't break our major key level of resistance, then it got pushed down. It made a third touch there. As it was going up, it lost momentum, so it was pushed down, continued going down. So let me just zoom in. The next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna draw a trend line from the first touch to the second touch. Okay, for me to get clear touches, what I usually do is I change from the candles to line chart, and now we can see clear. So we have the first high low and the second high low. Okay, so it touched twice and then it went up. Then when it came back, it broke out. Then it made a double top outside the trend line. So as for me, I consider that is a breakout in the retest. Right now the chart is telling me to sell, but I won't just sell, I have to confirm. Okay, so now you can see that it made a clear uptrend. It made a clear uptrend. It's been pushing to the upside, broke out, retested with the double top and went down. So all along we've been buying on an uptrend, and you know the rules as a trader: buy low, sell high. So that means while the market was still on the support key level, we were buying from that first touch, second touch, up to our resistance. So the resistance represents the highest point where the market reversed and went down. So if we're going to be selling, we have our three targets right there. We have the first one, second one, then the third one. As for me, when I'm analyzing, I don't like to complicate myself. I only trade what I see. I don't look for things that are not there. So we can see that it was an uptrend, but as soon as it broke there, we no longer consider it as an uptrend, because we have our breakout and our retest there. I've also noticed something about this volatility markets. You have to check trend inside trend. What do I mean by trend inside trend? What I'm trying to say is, right now we have a 1 hour, we're in a 1 hour time frame, right? And if we look inside that 1 hour time frame and go as low as 15 minutes to 5 minutes, we'll find out that it has like different trends inside. You might find a certain pattern. The market broke out, right? Retested. So now we have to look at our point of interest. So our point of interest is the breakout of that support. If it breaks out that support, we sell. But it might go up, right? It might buy and make a double bottom and buy. It might break out and sell. Okay, for us to get like extra confirmation, right? We're gonna zoom in and go to 15 minutes time frame and look for any pattern, any structure that will tell us otherwise, or that will support what the market is telling us. Right here we have our support, right? You can see that it made it down. And if you look at it, right, from the time we started analyzing, if we look at it, we can see that every time that it had to change direction, it left at least a double top or a double bottom. So that's another thing to look at when we are analyzing this market. We know that it respects double tops, even head and shoulders. And if you're familiar with this pattern, you already know what this pattern is. This is a bearish flag. It's a continuation pattern. So on 15-minute time frame, it gave us a flag pattern. So if we look at that point there, we have a resistance. So we're gonna start from there and look going down. It gave us an impulse move, then correction, which created our flag. Then it broke out, retested, then it went down. So we might see another correction there after an impulse move. Then it gives us another impulse move. Remember what I've been telling you about double tops and double bottoms. You see now it gave us a double bottom, right? We don't know if it's really valid, if it's gonna be valid. For us to actually know that it's gonna be valid, you have to break the neckline. I'm gonna teach about the patterns one day on my next videos. You know, some people, they take advantage of these small movements, these small patterns. you find out that someone is ready to buy here, but that's not what we're looking at right now. So as I was saying about the trends inside trend, right? If you look at this pattern, the market went up. Okay, the market went up with an impulse move, then it made a correction, then impulse move. So if you analyze, if you draw your trend line there, you put your trend line, you see that there is a bullish pattern inside. There's a bullish pattern inside. But if you look wider, this is a bearish flag. But inside that bearish flag, there is a bullish pattern. There's a bullish flag. That's what I call trend inside trend. Okay, so let's go back to our 1 hour time frame. So if it manages to break the support, right, we might see it retesting and making a correction until it finally finds an impulse move. That's gonna be my first target. So if it breaks there, I'm gonna sell. If I sell, I'm gonna sell up to that first target, the first support that I'm looking at. But if I see that the impulse move is very strong, right, I might even add move my stop, my take profit to my support, to that major support that we began with. So I don't know if there is more to it, but for me, that's as far as I can go. So I'm gonna have to wait and see what it's gonna give me. So as for me, I'm gonna have to stop here, guys. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you like and subscribe, guys.